Welcome back, guys. So today I told you I was gonna give y'all an update on the S13. I could only find the two front tires, so I had to order the two rears, which I still haven't done. It's been several days now, but since I can't do that today, I'm gonna be doing the Skyline. So what I got going on here is the RB25 turbo. Me and my boy Ivan done started on it a little bit. It just barely started. So I'll give y'all an update here in a little bit, but as y'all can see here, we're having a lot of issues with the rubber hoses. They're really old, dry rotted, so they're being a pain to come off. Not all of them, mostly just the real small vacuum hoses are doing all this. See, that one's all gone, that one's all gone. You see all that charcoal bullshit coming off. You see it on that one too, down at the bottom. But that's the main ones that are doing it. Everything else is okay. See, these is really dry, so that one's shot, that one's shot, that one's all right. Y'all can see that. That's hard as a rock, hard as a rock. So I don't know how hard if we're even gonna be able to get these off without breaking them. If not, I'm gonna have to order those new, but I'll give y'all an update here once we get some work done. Welcome back, guys. So we've been working on this for about an hour and a half, somewhere around there, maybe two. But we pretty much, sorry for the glare, my camera is broken right there somewhere, but I got like shit on my face. But we got most of it apart. I'm about to show y'all what we got. Got some good news, so that's awesome. I might not have to take the lower part of the intake off, so let me show. So as y'all can see here, we got the upper intake, and way in here, I don't know where it's at. Oh, you ain't gonna you can barely see it. I could barely see it right there. If y'all can see that clamp, that's the hose. Let me see if I can point at it right there. That's the hose that I have to replace, which goes all the way through the bottom and bolts up right down in there. You can't see it, I know it's too dark, but that's the hose I have to replace, and it's leaking coolant on me. But it looks like I can get it now with just the upper intake, so I don't have to remove all of that BS. I did buy the gasket for that, but if I don't have to remove it, I think it'd be that much better and easier. It don't consist of much more work. It don't look like it's so much more, but I don't want to keep messing with all these hoses because they are getting kind of dry, and I don't see anything else leaking. But I'm gonna check all the hoses, and if it looks like I might need to replace a couple more down there, then I'll just pull the intake off. But regardless, for the most part, all the upper hoses are pretty good. The only other thing up here is just the fuel rail, and that's metal, and none of the injectors look like they were leaking. And then on the turbo side, we pretty much got it all ready, all the way down. Got 4 of the exhaust, the turbo downpipe bolts off. I just got the 2 nuts, but I need a wrench, and then I need a wrench to take the actual turbo off the manifold. Besides that, the only other thing I'd have left is the lines, the coolant and the oil lines, and then just a little vacuum line for the wastegate. But besides that, it's pretty much ready to go. While I'm in here, I am going to replace my AC O-rings, those 2 O-rings. I believe that's it on this side. And then if I can get to these on this side, or somewhere over here, I'm going to replace these also. I'm not sure if there is any on this side. I don't think there is, because it's freaking right-hand drive, so I think it's just that side, I believe. And some O-rings up in here. I'm gonna replace them. This does have an R12 system, so I have to figure out how I'm gonna discharge and recharge it. which I don't think it has anything in it, honestly. AC was working, but it quit working several months after I had bought it, so I'll have to figure out how to discharge it and then recharge it, or if it's empty then just vacuum it out, flush everything out, and convert it to 134. So I'll figure it out once I get there. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Deuce.